let's now look at the special angles trigonometry ratios. Okay? What are the special angles in trigonometry? These are angle 45 degree, angle 30 degree, and angle 60 degree. Three of them are considered as what? As special angles. Okay? So in this class, we are going to work on these angles because they are very important. And we're going to use them to answer a lot of questions. Okay? So you pay attention. So as you can see, I've already gone ahead and drew these two triangles. This is 90 degree. So we're going to call here 45 degree. So you agree with me, this place is also 45 degree. We put one here, we put one here. You agree with me to find here now, you're going to do the square root of 1 square plus 1 square, which is 2. Therefore, you can easily put square root of 2 in this place. Okay? Then when you come to this one, this is what? An equilateral triangle. It means all the sides are equal. Also, all the angles are equal. Because all the angles are equal, the sum of angles of a triangle is what? 180. You divide 180 by 3 to have 60, 60, 60. Okay? So what you're going to do now, I'm going to take a line from here and draw it down. That is, get a line and divide this into two parts. Why am I dividing this? I am dividing it because I want to work with trigonometry on this equilateral triangle. Why can't I work with trigonometry straight? Because I don't have 90 degree here. Therefore, I need to get a 90 degree from here. Here to 90 degree. 90, 90. Okay? So here is 60 before. You agree? Here was 60. Because we have divided this place into two equal parts now, you can call here 30. You can also call here 30. The sum of the two see what? 60 degree. So for this, we're going to put 2 here, put 2 here, put 2 here. And if I put 2 here, I can also remove these 2. I put 1 here. That is, here to here is 1. Here to here is 1. We want to derive something, okay? Now, I want to take a line here just to differentiate this from this. This is for 45. This is for 30 and 60. Now, let's look at sine 45. Sine 45, you agree with me, is opposite to 1 over square root of 2. 1 over square root of 2. Then cos 45 is equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. The same thing, 1 over square root of 2. Then tan 45 is opposite over adjacent. That is 1 over 1, which is 1. But what we agree with me is that we need to rationalize the denominator. You agree with me? If I want to rationalize the denominator, I will simply say 1 over the square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 2 all over square root of 2. We have done this in sort. This multiplied by the square root of 2 all over 2. That is square root of 2 over 2, square root of 2 over 2. Why this one still remain 1? So these are the solution for the trigonometry ratio of 45. And 45 is what? It's a special angle. Let's now go for this. This one, as you can see in this place, I'm going to take one of it because I need a right angle triangle from it. Now I've demarcated it. So here will be 30. Here will be 60. Here will be 2. Here will be 1. What should be here? To get here, you agree with me? We say this, let's call it S. S is equals to the square root of 2 square minus 1 square, which is 4 minus 1 equals to square root of 3, okay? So therefore, this place is what? Square root of 3. Okay, now, let's start. With this now, we can work on this. Sine 30. That is opposite over hypotenuse. 1 over 2. That is special. Cos 30. That is adjacent over hypotenuse. Square root of 3 over 2. Then tan 30. Which is opposite over adjacent. 1 over the square root of 3. When you rationalize this, you have square root of 3 over 3. Okay? After this, we go for 60. Sine 60. That is opposite over hypotenuse. Square root of 3 over 2. Cos 60. Cos 60 is adjacent over hypotenuse. 1 over 2. Then tan 60. Tan 60 is opposite over adjacent. Just square root of 3. That is square root of 3 over 1, which is also square root of 3. So most of the time, if you forget this in exam condition, you need to what? Memorize this. Commit all this to your memory, because you will fall into some situation that require you to what? Remember all this. But the best way to do it is to have this diagram on your head, so you can use it to be say sine 30. Okay? Cos 30. Sine 60. Cos tan 60. 45. Sine 45. Cos 45, as so on and so forth. So these angles are special angles. As you can see, this is the trigonometry ratio as far as 45 is cosine. This is also trigonometry ratio as far as 30 is cosine. And this is what? Trigonometry ratio as far as 60 is cosine. Okay?